In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create one email for a group in Google Workspace. This can be incredibly useful for businesses or teams that want to streamline communication and ensure everyone is kept in the loop. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to Google Workspace. Open up your web browser and type in the URL for Google Workspace. Once you're there, the next thing you need to do is click on the admin console. You should see this option quite prominently available on the main page, so go ahead and give that a click. Next, you'll be prompted to log in using your business email, so enter your credentials here. It's important to use your business email as this will allow you to access all the admin functionalities we need for the following steps. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard. Now direct your attention toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Google Apps menu. Click on this menu and look for the admin icon. Clicking on this icon will take you to the admin settings, where we can get into the details of managing groups and users. Once you're in the admin interface, look for the section labeled Directory. You can find this in the left-hand navigation panel. Click on it to expand more options. From there, click on Groups to access the group management page. On this page, you will see an option to create group. Click on this button to initiate the process of creating a new group email. You'll need to fill in the details for the group you're creating. This includes the group's name, email address, and description. Take a moment to fill in all these details carefully, as they will define what the group will be about and how it will function. After that, click on the next button to proceed. This will bring you to the final overview of your group settings, where you can review everything you've entered. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on Create Group. Once the group is created, you will be given the option to add members to this group. Find and click the option that says Add Members To, followed by the name of your group. This will open a new pane where you can start adding people to the group. To do this, click on Add Members, then type in the emails you want to include within your organization. As you type, you should see profile options pop up. Click on the relevant profile you wish to add to the group. After selecting each member, make sure you click on Add to Group. This step is crucial to ensure they are actually included in the group email distribution. Finally, don't forget to click on Save. This will finalize the members you've added and ensure that your group email is now ready to use with everyone you've included. And there you have it, you've successfully created one email for a group in Google Workspace. This method is efficient and effective for managing team communications in a more streamlined way. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and as always, feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and have a great day using Google Workspace.